Imagine stepping into a sun-drenched coastal village where the rugged rocks and shimmering light of Catalonia serve as the perfect canvas for artistic rebellion. That's the magic of the InCadaqués Photo Festival in 2025, drawing photographers from around the globe to explore the depths of human experience through the lens. And this is the part most people miss. Even as it welcomes its 9th edition with a slightly smaller roster of superstar photographers, this event remains a must-visit gen, boasting over 40 artists from 20 nations and a staggering 25 exhibitions. Its program stretches across a wide array of photographic styles, from the purely aesthetic and boldly experimental to documentary storytelling, photojournalism, and even those unclassifiable pieces that defy easy labels. At its heart, the festival celebrates the unbreakable bond between people and this breathtaking landscape of stone and sea, where every image feels like a conversation with nature itself. Take, for instance, the way Cloé Harent's creations during her residency at Cadaqués bring the environment to life through raw materials and untamed energies. Her meditative approach resurrects the land's essence with a confident, yet serene eye, almost as if she's coaxing secrets from the earth itself. It's a reminder for beginners in photography that a simple residency, essentially a dedicated period for artists to immerse themselves in a location and create, can unlock profound connections. But here's where it gets controversial. Julien Mignot's work shifts our gaze toward the endless horizon, building on his ongoing Present Time series that started in Deauville and expanded to Mexico. Each photograph captures a full day's arc, from the first light of dawn to the fading hues of sunset, a technical marvel that freezes time in its most fleeting, intangible form. Critics might debate whether this obsession with temporality borders on artistic indulgence, but it undeniably invites viewers to ponder the passage of moments we often overlook. Nyo Jinyong Lian's Trust Me series, as described by the artist, plays with both faith and skepticism, weaving life's oddities and misunderstandings into images that balance sharp clarity, photographing the intimate realms of motherhood, personal narratives, and everyday existence with fresh storytelling. Lieh Sugai's In Passing series beautifully illustrates photography's core power to invade private worlds, unearth identities, and navigate grief through a deeply individualized visual dialect that speaks volumes without uttering a single word. For those new to the art form, think of it as a diary where emotions are captured in snapshots rather than sentences. Switching gears entirely, Japanese photographer and videographer Lieh Sugai, now based in New York, delves into themes of identity and memory through analog film and chemogram techniques, processes where light, chemicals, and paper interact organically to form textured images reflecting fragmented recollections. Her Kaiko Encounter project emerges from instinctive methods and chance encounters, aiming to heal emotionally between her homeland and her adopted country. This fusion of tradition and innovation raises eyebrows among purists who might argue that experimental methods dilute the medium's purity, yet it opens a door to how global migration reshapes personal history. Adding a layer of compassion is Italian photographer Valentina Sinis's documentary on Afghan women. Illuminated by a kind, benevolent gaze that humanizes their stories amid adversity, InCadaqués wouldn't be complete without its surrealist flair, epitomized by Man Ray's photographs displayed in the gardens of Casa Dalí in Portugal. Though he dabbled in countless styles, the American innovator pioneered surrealist imagery and collaborated with the eccentric Catalan genius Salvador Dalí, sharing affinities for enigma, beauty, and wit that infused their works with the audacious dreaminess of a golden era. But here's the controversy that sparks debate. Does honoring such historical figures in a modern festival risk romanticizing outdated or problematic ideologies? Or does it enrich our understanding of art's evolution? It's a point worth pondering. As the festival expands its horizons, It fosters direct interactions with creators, many of whom attended the opening week, encouraging lively discussions and even the sale as artworks. To enhance the experience, the InPhoto Festival app lets visitors identify and learn about featured images on the spot. Authored by Jean-Jacques Adder, don't miss the InCadaqués Photo Festival, with exhibitions running from October 9th to 26th, 2025, across various spots in Cadaqués, Spain, in the Catalonia region. Look out for photo workshops, film screenings, book signings, and more events. For full details, check out https://fr.incadaqués.com/en/homepage. What do you think? Does the blend of styles at festivals like this push photography forward? Or does it dilute its essence? And is the inclusion of surrealist icons like Man Ray a celebration of history or a missed opportunity for more contemporary voices? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear agreements, disagreements, or fresh perspectives.